have somebody's phone.
Do you just have... Where's my phone?
Let's go. It's time to go, 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 go. It's time to go, go, go. Let's go. It's time to go, 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 go. Let's go.
Hi. Good. Do you like some coffee? What do you want?
Matcha.
Do you have an iced latte with soy milk?
Yeah.
Great.
Was I right or was I right?
I mean, yes. This is cute.
Bro.
Yeah, it's cute. I love that. That I'm gonna take some photos of.
There she goes. Where did you think I was gonna take you?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Well, at first, because we were driving by and we saw this motorcycle place, and you were like, "Do you think something like that would be your vibe?" And I was like, "Are we going there?" But then I saw this, and I was like, "I like this." But I don't know where you would take me. I knew for a fact that you were gonna take me to something that was black. I knew that, like something with like black interior. But that, I'm obsessed with that wall still. The wall with the LED light. I don't know if you can see it from here, but otherwise we'll put a picture in here. That's so dumb.
Make some room, just cut loose. Come on, shake what your mama made. Don't be shy, feel this high when we're dancing the night away.
What happened there?
I don't want to talk about it. It happened in business class. I didn't have enough space.
You had a whole ass bed. What do you mean?
I know. It's so bad. So what happened was basically I was trying to lie down and I scratched myself and I also bumped my knee. I don't know. I don't know what I did, but
All I was gonna say is that I thought between the two, I thought I was the clumsier one by far.
oh no, I am very. If you can manage this in business class, then you're clumsy as. I am obsessed with this. Okay, what else? Do you need snacks?
I could do gum,
Gum? That's not a snack.
but my mouth is dry.
Water will fix that. I don't think gum. Does gum help with that?
Well, it keeps me like from not feeling like thirsty all the time.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe you need to drink more if you're thirsty. Have you ever thought about that?
I don't need this negativity that's happening right now.
This logic. Stop with this logic.
Stop with this logic and buy me gum now.
Yeah. I thought I saw a famous person, but it wasn't anyone. I was like, what? No.
Yeah, because we're gonna see him at a Target. Yeah.
Right?
Can I ask you an honest question? And you're gonna answer truthfully. How many of those have you drinking since you've been here? It's like, oh, let's go grab a quick snack, but she just honed in for that. That's what I don't understand. It's just water. It's mountain water.
It's literally.
I also messed up.
Yeah. I mean, I don't have anything. It's good. I love it. It's so good. Every opportunity that I get, I'll get some liquid death because I cannot get it where I'm at.
Guys, if you're listening, she really wants a sponsorship. She doesn't shut up about you guys. Dude, I know you're visiting and stuff. Can you please drive now? I'm tired of driving.
I don't have a driver's license.
What?
I don't have a
Your
driver's
number's
license.
years old.
It's a great excuse because now I'm driven everywhere and I can always drink because I'll never have to drive. It's great.
Okay, I guess.
I want a big fancy car with the top back and shopping bags filled to the brim in the back seat. I'm going fast.
And we're here. Wait, nope. So that's it. That's the start. This is what you wanted to see.
This is cool. It's definitely underwhelming, but it's still cool. You told me that this wasn't going to be cool. I don't know any of these people. Yes. Yes. You know what's up. Of course, honey. Meow. Let's go fight.
Well, I don't know what it is about you, but every time we end up somewhere random, there's always people like filming.
Yeah.
That is not uncommon, but it's just crazy that the two times I take you out.
On the first night that I was in LA, we saw Eddie Murphy out of everyone. Like, that was such a good welcome. And now this. Maybe it's, who do you think it is? George Clooney?
Maybe.
Billie Eilish?
No, definitely not Billie Eilish.
That would make my trip if I see Billie Eilish anywhere. I would die. I would just like die.
Well, turn around. No, just kidding. Sorry, did I interrupt?
I didn't know you were filming. Oh, this is me.
Cat mom?
Drama queen of the year. Have a great day, bye. Wait, you have my phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, oh my god.
Wait, I have somebody's phone.
Do you just have... Where's my phone? Is it in the bag? I don't have it. We're in another Uber. I forgot my phone in the previous Uber. It was so stressful, I kid you not. We couldn't find the phone number of Uber to get in touch with the driver. We finally did after a million questions. They told us they couldn't get a hold of the Uber driver. And in the meanwhile, I was trying with my Apple Watch, I was trying to find it, but I wasn't connected to the internet. So then I was able to track down my phone, and I saw that my phone was moving. It was so stressful, Sam, wasn't it?
I'm not even hungry anymore. I was sweating profusely. I've never searched something so intensely on Google before until I finally got the number. Still, yeah, this is pretty intense. Yeah.
We just got called by my phone. There's this guy who's very honest who found my phone, and because on my Apple Watch I could turn the lost mode on and I could put Sam's number in there, they called Sam, so they have her phone. So we're now taking an Uber back to the car. We take the car, we go to the address. I cannot tell you how relieved I am that we actually found my phone again. This is, oh my god.
Here you go.
Oh my
This belongs to
god! Yes!
you. Can we please get food now?
Yes, let's go get food.
You got what I'm looking for. You got everything that I want. My sugar and gold.
Thank you. Look at yourself.
I look like a Tootsie Roll.
Cheers. This is actually really good.
Awesome. Glad you liked it.
What about yours?
It's good.
What I like a lot about LA is that all my favorite reality shows are filmed here. So this is actually from Vanderpump Rules, and I've watched all the seasons. I know all the gossip. I love that I'm here. So fun. Dude, this is 2 meals. Like, how the fuck am I gonna eat all of this? Do people eat all of this?